Good morning, guys. I am so ready to get back to work after that long freaking drive. As you can tell, we still have the car on the trailer, and it's gonna be the first one that goes to the shop. Not really what was planned. Obviously I'd like to take VA there first, but this is what's gonna be going there first. We're gonna take and drop off truck and trailer. We're gonna bring RA out there too. We're gonna be taking Devin's launch edition STI there. This one needs to get finished here, so that's gonna be a plan today. Not the best weather, but I can't really complain too much because it's not raining right now, so hopefully that stays throughout the day. So this is going to be getting finished up today. Motor build just got finished up over there. Yeah, it's going to be a busy day. You guys are going to get to see the shop. I'm still working on getting the other video edited for you guys. That'll be up soon. Obviously you'll have seen it by the time this goes up, but I am trying, I promise, guys. Oh, good morning, old girl. It is time to go, and look at that. Oh, I probably should hit that button. Old Bob got a new freaking truck. He's trying to compete over there. I can't even see what it is. Damn. Oh yeah, over reliable here. Look at all the stuff coming up off the hood, all the water. Dang, what a trip that was, guys. Can't say it's not. I don't want to do one like that again. Not, at least not driving straight through by myself. No, that was not fun. So we're on our way to the shop right now. Like I said, we're gonna drop truck and trailer off, and then we're gonna go out to breakfast this morning. Be nice to kind of get some breakfast with the wife and I don't know, I want to say relax a bit, because I'm definitely ready to get back to work, because that trip, it's hard, you know. You want to be working, but we had to go get this car. So like I said, we're gonna go get breakfast. I gotta go get cylinder heads for that white STI in the driveway. As you guys saw, we pulled that thing apart. To give you an update on what was going on with that car, it had a head gasket issue, as most of you saw. We were trying to figure out kind of what was the issue, and I had the cylinder heads pretty gone through, you know, their deck, their check, pressure check, vacuum check, and checked for any cracks or anything like that, and nothing came back. When they decked the heads, they did have to take 4 thousandths off. So either A, they didn't get decked when it went together, or B, it got overheated at some point with the new engine. So that's what the cause will be of that. I didn't see any other kind of cause of when I was pulling it apart. So we're gonna be getting that thing back together, and that is the last car we are doing at the house, guys. I am so happy about this. I can't wait. It hasn't even set in yet. You know, the weather's not that great outside, but guess what? It don't affect us no more. Can't freaking wait. So let's go drop these off and jump right in today. We are back from breakfast. RA's last drive before she goes away for the winter, and notice they are getting the fences put up, so they are making progress still. Now it's time to unload the WX. So let's get this thing opened up and get the thing all unloaded. Got the car all loaded. Wife didn't record anything. Got both of them inside the shop. Still concrete thing over there. I think they're gonna come grab. Now off to go get more cars. Ready? Now we're back at the house. Super windy today, which you guys won't have to deal with anymore. So happy about that. Just cranking this trailer up. I was gonna take VA, but there's a white STI in the way. So that means, looks like it's gonna be Hyper Blue's turn first. And to be honest with you guys, I was looking at parts for Hyper Blue, and it was gonna make a comeback real soon, but you guys wanted an FA, so I bought an FA. So that means Hyper Blue, she's back on the back burner, like for the 10th time. So you guys are probably gonna ask, are we ever gonna finish that thing? And you're always gonna see it in the background one day, but for now she's on the back burner, so she'll be sitting. So I'm gonna get this thing cranked up, get the garage open, get her out here, get on the trailer, take Devon's launch edition over there, and then we'll just have VA is the only thing left here. So then we have 2 more cars to take to the shop, and you guys will see those soon, and then it's just setting the shop up, which I'm sure is going to take some time. So bear with me here. I'm going to bring you guys along, and let's get to it. Wow, she's pretty buried in here. A lot more buried than I'd like to admit. This is gonna be fun. So, like I said, we're getting ready to go shop, so we got some stuff out already, and that means everything's in the way. So, I'm gonna get stuff cleared out, get her pulled out, get it ready to go on trailer. She hasn't been moved in a while. So, now's her time, guys. Been a bit since I got to see old girl outside. She is all loaded up, and now it's her turn to go to the shop. Nice thick layer of dust that's gonna disappear off of it, so let's go drop the thing off. All right, they're getting all in here. Hyper Blues in here, RA's in here, good old FA boy, and we got Devon's launch edition. Thank you, Josh. Yep. Drove that thing here. They're getting power to the shop, so it's time to go back, and we got work. Good morning, guys. This is gonna end out the video for you. The GoPro obviously died on the last clip for you when me and Josh went and dropped off other cars. Got this beautiful white ST hatch all back together, all done, and that is officially the last car we're gonna be working on at the house. So bittersweet? Nah, I don't care. I'm so happy not to be working here anymore. So guys, stay tuned. Next video is gonna be all about the shop. So that's where I'm headed right now. You guys are gonna see that in the next video. So thanks again, everyone, for your support, everyone watching and making this happen. Thank you so much, guys. Wouldn't be able to do it without you. So stay tuned for the next one.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to